Welcome back, savvy investors. Today, we're strapping on our spacesuits and taking a rocket ride through the fiscal universe of Dell Technologies. Buckle up because we're about to explore the financial cosmos like never before. First up, let's decode the secret language of financial ratios. Dell's price-to-earnings ratio or PR is orbiting at 19.95, showing a stellar performance compared to its 5-year average of 7.54. This can indicate a potential overvaluation. Looking into the future, the forward PR is a promising 10.21, indicating an upside in the price or earnings in the next year. Now let's talk about growth. The PG or price-to-earnings to growth ratio, standing at 9.98, indicates a potential mismatch between the PR and the expected earnings growth. Moving on to profitability, the return on equity is at a solid 65.63%, while the return on assets is 3.16%. These figures paint a picture of a company efficiently using its resources to generate earnings. Speaking about earnings per share or EP, is cruising at 3.61. With a projection of 2% growth over the next 5 years. What does this mean for you as an investor? Stick around to find out. Dell has just launched its dividend payouts, and the yield is a respectable 2.06%. The dividend saga began in 2022, and with stars aligning, it's set to create a galaxy of returns for investors. Continuing with margins, operating margin at 6.42% and profit margin at 2.92%, Dell is skillfully navigating the financial nebula, but it has to improve this data as soon as possible if it wants to continue being one of the greats in the sector. Now let's zoom out to witness the breathtaking evolution of revenue and earnings over the past 8 years, propelling Dell's market price beyond the stratosphere. Dell has been on a stellar odyssey, outperforming the market with a total return higher than VO in the last 5 years. Investors, fasten your seatbelts for this intergalactic journey. Entering the negative equity zone. Due to historical setbacks, Dell's debt equity and long-term debt equity data remain elusive. But fear not, as the spacecraft is navigating through a financial metamorphosis. Hold on to your hats. Dell's 52-week adventure has seen a meteoric rise, boasting an average return of 61.71%. Buckle up for volatility in this cosmic roller coaster. Dell's market cap is currently at a substantial $54.89 billion, a figure that speaks volumes about its size and influence in the hardware industry. Analysts are forecasting a 12-month target of $73.72, representing a 2.35% upside. But hold your gravitational pull. My fair value radar is detecting $81.65, suggesting an undervalued gem in the financial galaxy. In conclusion, fellow space voyagers, Dell Technologies is a constellation of financial strength, poised for interstellar growth. Will it continue its celestial ascent, or are there asteroids in its trajectory? Only time will tell. Smash that like button, subscribe for more financial odysseys, and let's embark on the Dell expedition together. Until next time, may your portfolios be as diverse as the stars in the financial cosmos.